Harry and Tash's plan is to make the entry and hallway into a gallery space, which will be illuminated by a deco-style chandelier and lots of skylights.
I mean, our hallway is very narrow compared to everybody else's, so we've gone really high ceilings with our 3 skylights. It really opens up and brightens the space.
Whoa, check that out. That's very nice.
Very nice indeed.
Hello. Oh, look at that. Standing on your staircase.
I know.
Light shining in on you.
We've got the tree and the dappled light coming in through when you get into that main area there. So, yeah, it's going to be really lovely, I think.
The timber staircase with matching timber handrail on glass balustrades will lead up to the huge windows looking out onto that beautiful oak tree. Downstairs, they've added a storage space discreetly tucked behind a timber feature wall.
Hello.
Oh, hello, you are here.
Hi. Hello.
Hello. Come on in. Now, tell me, what do you think of House 1?
Loving it.
Beautiful, and now you can see it with the sun coming in and the dappled trees.
North facing. This was the last choice.
I know.
No one chose this house with a north-facing tree.
And that tree.
And that tree.
It's just beautiful.
Tash, has it been really nice having other people to confer with about your styling and choices and things this week?
It's been amazing. And Mitch has been making me make really quick decisions.
Wish you had learnt that lesson maybe 8, 9 weeks ago.
I know, right? But as well, just having the manpower, I do not know where you guys get your energy from, honestly. We've had these guys just pushing and pushing us. Very gently too, not even like...
Hey, hang on, we've been pushing you the whole time.
The whole time.
You never listened to
whole
us.
time.
Did you have a hot stick? Basically, we've sort of said to them that there's just no downtime. You just have to go. And if the harder you go from the beginning of the week, the more joy you can have at the end of the week.
Yeah.
Or potential space for joy.
You guys should be so proud that you're going to lock up and walk through this and go, I can't believe we did it, and you did.
With Mitch and Marky, it's actually been quite good for both Tash and I, because we've been quite flat, and they've been able to sort of, you know, pick us up.
In the 1930s part of the house, Daniel and Jade have chosen ornate cornice and ceiling detail, a chandelier and lots of art. There's a step down into the modern part, but they've gone with the same timber for the stairs and floor and a graphico print for the wall. On the upstairs landing, they've got casement windows, a large picture window in the stairwell and glass balustrades. So there's lots of natural light coming into downstairs. Doesn't the glass look terrific on the stairs?
Oh, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Yeah, it's going to come down to your finishes, and I can see there's still a lot of setting to go, there's a lot of painting to go. You're in for a couple of days of paint.
Flooring, when's that going down?
It's happening as we speak.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
And you've got graphico going on that wall.
Graphico, yep.
I think you should start painting right now.
Yeah.
To match their custom door, Sarah and George have chosen metal and glass pendant lights and gone with dark timber flooring. And in keeping with the era, the walls will be lined with movie memorabilia from the 40s. On the other side of the door, where the old transitions to the new part of the house, they've chosen a lighter timber for the stairs and left the upper flight open for extra light penetration. But they've enclosed the lower flight to give them understair storage.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh, my goodness. We're here to give you the 10 grand for the win.
Yeah, I'll give it to you now.
That is insanely beautiful.
I love it.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is crazy, guys. The internals are finished. You've finished a house on the block.
Crazy. It's crazy, yeah.
Not only have you had an all-star couple helping you out this week, but they're also your agent.
Where are they?
I don't know.
Hey, where are they?
Where are they?
Hey, Scotty. Oh, have you loved being back?
I haven't stopped smiling since I've been back. I think because I get to go home on Sunday, so it's great.
Yeah, just a little taste is enough.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Yeah.
I've actually enjoyed painting, so wow, who would have thought?
Yeah.
Do you wish maybe that these guys had come 5, 6 weeks ago to give you that energy?
I think they've come at the best time.
Perfect.
Yeah.
We were saying I couldn't imagine like any other week.
Yeah. Well,
It's
Jesse
all right.
can sell the house saying that he's put his blood, sweat and tears into it. So.
Yes.
There you go.
That's
So-
right.
Yeah.
Is this an experience every agent or auctioneer should have? Actually live in the house for a few days, get a taste for life in Brighton?
Yeah, because obviously you get to see the sun coming through at different times during the day, especially in the afternoon. It's
true,
You see
mate.
the morning sun and then get the afternoon sun coming in through the light well.
Plus the understair storage, I was a bit like, maybe we should leave it.
Yeah.
We asked Jesse, he's like, mate, no brainer, do it.
Yeah.
Like, no.
Yeah.
So
I go, as a real estate agent, what would you say? And he goes, storage.
And you know what? You're not even going to know yourself when this scaff comes out.
Yeah.
No, yeah.
Well, that should be going today, shouldn't it?
Yes.
Boys are just there waiting.
Oh, sorry, fellas. Sorry.
Oh, come on in and get rid of the scaffolding. We'll get out of your way.
All right, good luck.
Thank
See you.
Beautiful.
I know, it's ridiculous.
You know what? I feel like this week and last week really tied things together for us. And I think that's why we're kind of peaking, because all of our rooms were dishevelled and then now it's all tying together. So I think that's why Scotty and Shelley have that sort of reaction as well, because this is bringing the home together. All of our plans are coming to fruition.
The chevron flooring, along with a metal and glass pendant light, side table and hallway door, all ensures that the buyer's first impression is of an immaculately restored period home.
She has a lot of character, and people pay for character.
Yeah.
People want LED lights. People want houses.
windows.
They want bay windows. People want that in their house. People want that to be their house. There's a certain type of charm when you see a house that's 110 years old.
On the modern side of the house, they've continued the ported timber feature wall from the kitchen and added a secret door into the understair storage. And with a nod to the Federation origins of the house, they've chosen dark metal balustrades and handrails for the stairs.
There's something quite simple and classic about our house, and I love that. I feel like it's just quite timeless, I guess.
How far is this coming, just to this corner?
Mate, this is... So we're shooting for a win this week. This will come around, back in, all the way over.
Secret door.
And then I've got full height cabinets there.
Right.
All underneath linen closet.
Storage.
Beautiful.
Fantastic.
Because there's no linen storage in
Oh,
the
and I think you might have
hallway.
learned something from Daniel and Jade last week, did you? Yeah,
no.
extra storage never hurt
Extra
anybody.
storage never hurts anyone.
You've got a lot of painting to do, a lot of flooring to do. There's actually a lot for a Friday arvo, isn't there? All-nighter tonight.
All nighter tonight.
Yeah, and tomorrow probably.
Well, I think the big thing that's changed this year is the worldwide pandemic. For these guys, working in really hard conditions, having to leave for 6 weeks, come back and reboot, say goodbye to their kids again.
Yeah.
Really tough. The thing we must mention is the incredible sacrifice that you guys have made to be here, because when you go home, you've got to go into 2 weeks of isolation.
We do, yeah.
Away from your kids?
No,
They're in
well,
with us.
we would have. No. But our youngest, it's his birthday next week, so...
So they're going back into isolation as well.
The
whole family for 2 weeks.
Another 2 weeks of lockdown. Oh, my
Amazing effort.
Homeschooling again.
Oh, wow.
Well, I'm glad that you've had a fun couple of days so far. You've got a hell of a few days ahead of you to get this all done, haven't you?
Yes, we do.
No, we'll be right. We'll be right.
All right, we'll leave you to it. You've got lots to do.
Lots to do.
Thanks, guys. Sanding.
I reckon we can get the All-Stars trophy.
We're going all in this week, so...
We are.
Yeah, we want to win.
Yeah.
We want to win with WA.
When it's completed, Jimmy and Tan's front door will open into a terrazzo-tiled entryway which faces the timber feature wall, the secret door that hides the laundry entry. All illuminated by their Suncorp game changer, the Murano glass vintage chandelier. The new part of the hallway has a spacious powder room tucked under the solid timber stairs.
Hello.
Come in.
Hello. You up for a couple of uninvited guests?
We are.
Yes. Hi. It feels like a house. Oh, my God.
It's so good.
I love this floor.
It does suit the home, there is no doubt. And that, what an extraordinary entrance.
Yeah.
Cool.
Secret door.
What door?
What do
That's exactly the right answer. It's not so secret. We just came from another joint that had the same secret door.
Yeah,
We've heard.
Yeah.
How are you feeling to know that the entire inside of this house is finished as of Sunday?
It's crazy. 4 days ago, this was the storage area. Like, that was the office. That was an absolute pigsty. Our walk-in row was in tatters. That's all back together now.
What time did you work till last night?
About 2:30.
Fantastic. Working hard, painting.
Yeah, these guys were keen as mustard. They got stuck in and didn't want to stop, so...
Yeah.
Good luck, Queensland.
Thank you.
Good luck for Sunday.
Thank you.
See you guys.
We'll see you later.
Yeah, it's really nice to know that we're going to have everything finished in a few days. It's rewarding. It's really satisfying to know that, well, we're creating a house that we absolutely love, and everyone that comes in it feels exactly the same.
Was that original?
No.
Fireplace? No.
No, we had to do that.
Wow.
That's cool.
Yeah.